So to install the glass in the facade of Woolloongabba station, we have 3 stages. The first stage is to install the mullions and the sills. The second stage is to install the glass. And the third stage is the application of the silicone. So the facade at Woolloongabba station gives us weather protection, energy efficiency, natural light, and open space. So the canopy facade has the function to have the daylight going inside the canopy, giving us an open space. Also, it helps on protection of weather, rain and wind, and also with the energy efficiency, as you have natural light and the heat and temperature can be maintained inside. So the glass is transparent, thermally treated and laminated. The lamination means that it's 2 pieces of glass with an interlayer in the middle, so in case it broke, it holds the pieces together for safety. The biggest piece of glass we have on site is in the corners of the canopy and measured 2 to 3 meters, weighing up to 200 kilos. The next milestone we have once the glass is installed is having the cladding around the mullions. We also have the tiles coming after the cladding, and we also have the ticket office fit out.